The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include McCallickson, Blooming Grove, Chehawa, Greeley, Lords Valley, Promised Land State Park, and Panther. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is the